Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. Today I have something incredible to share. In the second part I will show you how you can make this beautiful blouse, but today I'm going to show you how you can make the accessories. You are going to complement this blouse if you want, but also any look that you want. So I will give you all my secrets and tips, and if you want, in the next video I can show you how you can make this blouse that will perfectly match with this ring and earrings that we are going to make today. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. It's free. In this case, like I want to complete the look with the blouse that I will show you next, I will use the same material and color. In this case, I will use a light material that it's number 3 or number 2, it depends. No, it's light or fine, like you want. Both are good. And I will use the hook of number 2 millimeters because I want to make this stitch tight. So I will start making the earrings first. So with one thread and with our hook we will make some chains. We will make 4 and 5 chains. We will close in circle. We will insert the hook right where we start and we are going to slip one to close. So now that we are here, I will go up with 1, 2 chains, and then inside I'm going to make 3 double crochet, okay, out of 2 crochet. So here we have 1, 2 and 3. Counting the first chains that we made, we will have 4 double crochet, right? So then 2 chains, and also inside a single crochet. So here we will have the first petal. And like this one, we are going to make 5 petals, okay? So then we will make 2 chains, and right inside again we are going to make 3 double crochet. So here we have 2 and 3, then 2 chains, and if you want you can make a single crochet or just slip one. We are going to move because remember that here inside we must have 5 petals. Well, so here we finish. We have the 5 petals, right? Now we are going to make a second stage with petals. So first we are going to make some arches that will be the base for the next petal. So right here behind we are going to insert the hook in the first double crochet. We will slip one and right there we will go up with 5 chains. And in the last double crochet, right there we will insert the hook also behind, and we will make and take this stitch like this, and we are going to slip one. Then we will make 5 chains and we will repeat the same at the end of the last double crochets, where we are going to insert the hook like leaning and passing through the center, and right there we are going to slip one. And we will repeat this until we have 5 arches behind with 5 chains each. Well, now that we have ready the base for the second stage, we will have something like this. So we will insert the hook right inside of the arches. And now instead of making 3 double crochet, we will make 5. So here we will go up with 2 chains. Then inside we will make 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 double crochet after the first chains that we made. You see? Then we will make 2 chains, and right here where we have this joint we will slip one or make single crochet like you want. So like this we are going to have the second stage of the flower. Remember that we will make 5 double crochet each. To go to the next arch, we will slip one, and right there we will go up with the with 2 chains, and again we will continue like this until we finish and we have the 5 petals. Okay, so I will continue with you so we can review and you can see exactly how it is. So at the end of the 5 double crochet, 2 chains, and right here in the joint you can make a single crochet or slip one. Okay. Well, here at the end we will finish with 2 chains and we are going to slip one to close. If you want a bigger flower, well, instead of making 5 chains in the arches, you probably must have to make 6 chains, and instead of making 5 double crochet each, we are going to make 8 double crochet each in case that you want them bigger, okay? But to me I think it's perfect, so here I'm going to cut the thread and later I will hide it with the embroidery needle. Okay, just to make sure that this won't undo. Well, actually here we will hide it. I'm going to use the hook, or if you have a needle, with your needle. So we are going to pass the hook first through some stitches, and then we are going to take the thread and bring them through, and we are now ready to cut. I suggest that if you have a lighter, you can burn the last tips. So with this, you will make sure that this won't undo. So this is a tip that I share with all of you because, as you could see, each yarn it's created by many threads. So sometimes these threads with the movement just move. Just undo, right? So with this you will avoid that. So now you will make a second pair of earrings. I will use these uh, hoops if you want, and now I will make the ring and I will show you how. With these small hoops, you will use them as the earrings, or you can use a big pair or a pair, and you are going to pass it through the hole and use it as a earring too, like you want. Okay, so for the ring you are going to make 5 chains, and right away we are going to come back in each stitch and make single crochet. So like this we are going to continue making more rows until we get a long strip that goes all around our finger, the finger that we want to decorate with the ring, right? I'm going to continue. In this case I want to use it right here. Okay, so here I'm finishing the last row. I'm finishing the last single crochet and 4. Okay, so now you are going to check if this is enough. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rows, and we will check if it's enough. In this case I did already check. So now with the same hook we are going to close once you are sure that this is the perfect measurement for your finger. And like this we are going to close, taking one chain from one side and one chain from the other side and making single crochet. So we are going to go in order and we are going to perfectly match all the stitches until we finished. Okay, at the end please cut a long thread because we will use this thread to sew the flower. We are going to make the same flower that I have teach you. We are going to make the ring and the earrings with the same flower. Okay, you will decide also if for the ring probably you will like to make a smaller smallest flower, well, you are going to make less chains and everything, but basically the steps will be the same. Okay, so with this long thread and with the embroidery needle, we are going to sew and join the ring. Remember that you are going to make 3 flowers with the steps that I taught you, and like this is how we are going to complete the set, right? Remember that I'm making this set to complete the look of the blouse that I will show you, well, if you want, and with this we will complete the look. Also, for example, if you have an old ring and that it's damaged or that you don't like it, probably you can use the ring and you can crochet over this ring that will be the base for your flower or for the thing that you want to crochet, right? Also, you can make that idea, or if you don't have one, well, you can follow the technique that I teach you, right? So like this is, we are going to continue sewing. We will make sure that the flower will stay there, and with this we finish. Remember, at the end, please hide all the threads that you may have, and with embroidery needle, please hide them a little bit, and then you are ready to burn the last tip. And with this, I promise you that this won't undo and will last forever. I think that with this idea, you can start your own business, you can start selling them, and I'm sure people will love it. And as I show you, you can use these small hoops that you can just insert and pass through them, and with this you will have your earrings. Actually, I use these same hoops for different earrings that I made, like this, that I crochet, and you can make the same. Okay, you don't need to complicate too much. You can use the things that you have with you, and with this you can create and complete your looks that you crochet. Okay, so with this you have your earrings and the ring too. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed making this set with me, the rings and the earrings too. As you could see, I decorate with the small pair that I have as an earring too, and I use the small hoops to insert it through my ear, right? So I think it looks beautiful. Please don't forget to give me a like and to subscribe, and please stay tuned because I will show you how you can make the blouse. The blouse is beautiful, and I hope that you enjoy making it too. Remember that if you look to make something special, I have many videos in my channel that you can make. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me in all my social media. Thank you. Take care. Bye.